Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmates. This is the continuation of Group 11, Facilitating and Learning. This is my assigned topic. These are the example and sa event of instructions. First is gaining attention. Yung lesson example and conditions of learning. Example is teacher tells learners how she has used PowerPoint in the classroom. Shows an example of PowerPoint. Ask learners question about using PowerPoint. Sayang rationale is first is giving background information creates validity, and second is the use of multimedia grabs the audience attention. Third is asking questions in the beginning creates an interactive atmosphere. And second is informing the learner of the objectives. So, sa iyahang lesson and example, conditions of learning. Example is teacher says, today we are going to work on using a multimedia presentation of software Microsoft PowerPoint. Sa iyahang rationale, make learners aware of what to expect so that they are aware and prepared to receive information. Third is stimulating recall and prior learning. Sa iyang reason example of conditions of learning, example is for this particular group of learners should have learned previously about Microsoft Windows, particularly Microsoft Word. Teacher associate this knowledge with lesson at hand. Sa iyang rationale, example is when learning something new, assessing prior knowledge is a major factor in the process of acquiring new information. And the fourth is presenting the stimulus. So, yahang lesson example and condition of learning is teacher gives students hands-on step-by-step tutorial on using Microsoft PowerPoint. Sa iyahang rationale example, the goal is information acquisition. Therefore, the stimulus employed is written content and the actual software program. And the fifth is providing learner guidance. Yang lesson example and conditions of learning, teacher demonstrates how to create a presentation. Teacher moves around and shows student how to use the tools to type in text, add links, add symbols, and clip art. Insert videos and diagrams, use sounds. Learners are allowed to try the tools demonstrated and partners on their computers. Sa iyahang rationale, teacher uses discovery learning because learners are adults and it gives them the freedom to explore. Teacher facilitates the learning process by giving hints and cues when needed. Since the audience are preserved with some basic level of technology skills and the software program is easy to follow and understand, guidance is minimal. The sixth is eliciting performance. Reason example and conditions of learning. Teacher asks students to demonstrate PowerPoint tools. Sa iyahang rationale, first is requiring the learner to produce based on what has been taught, enable the learners to confirm his or her learning. Second is regular feedback enhances learning. Seven is giving feedback. So, iyahang lesson example and conditions of learning, teacher gives immediate feedback to learners after eliciting response. And the eighth is assessing performance. Sa iyang lesson example conditions of learning, assign a practice activity, create an electronic storybook using Microsoft PowerPoint, teacher check work. Sa iyang rationale, independent practice forces student to use what they learn and apply it. Assessing such gives instructors a means of testing student learning outcomes. Nine is enhancing retention and transfer. Yang lesson example or condition of learning. Teacher asks learners to create activities PowerPoint presentation for 6th grade pupils. Teacher also assigns learners to teach another learner how to make a PowerPoint presentations. Sa ihang rationale, applying learning in real-life situations is a step towards mastery learning. And those are the example of in facilitating in learning. And that's all for my report. Thank you.